If you've ever asked ChatGPT for YouTube titles and expected magic, but then it starts giving you generic garbage that nobody's even going to click on this is for you. So I call this the Killer YouTube Title Toolkit. This is the exact prompt I use, the system I use to come up with titles and thumbnail overlay for my clients. Step number 1 is set up a dedicated chat. Open a new conversation in ChatGPT. Title is something like YouTube titles. Mine is title and thumbnail request, which is this. So I've been using this for the past 3 months, and anything related to titles and thumbnails, this is what I use. So after you've opened a dedicated chat for this, you're going to be using this chat only for titles so that AI remembers your style over time. Next is upload the framework. So I've created a title framework which contains 35 proven title frameworks, and I've categorized them: experimentation and challenges, trends, truth and secrets, decisions and warnings, comparisons and contrast, how-to success stories, results and systems, time promise frameworks, lifestyle behind the scene. This all comes together with the ChatGPT titles guide. So you download this and share this PDF with ChatGPT. So let's do that. Open a new chat, add the PDF. So step number 3, copy and paste the prompt. But before you do that, don't press enter yet till you paste this prompt. So this prompt is going to tell ChatGPT how to apply these frameworks correctly. So analyze this PDF 100%. This is crucial. You should analyze it 100% and understand the content of the PDF. Why save it to memory? So that even if you're using ChatGPT on another chat and something title related comes up, it can use this exact same frameworks to give you good answers, credible answers, instead of giving you generic titles to use. Next, you're going to define what's in the PDF. The PDF contains YouTube title frameworks that have been proven to work across multiple niches. Use these frameworks every time you generate a title for me. These are the requirements. This is just basic requirements for killer titles. Keep all titles under 55 characters. Each title must include emotional trigger, fear or desire. Then it should be clear. Use exciting language that sparks curiosity. Then it should also be instantly understandable in less than 1 second. So the output, it should provide at least 5 title options. Feel free to tweak the output the way you want it. You can tell it to give you 10 or even 20. For each title, add a short note explaining why it would drive clicks. Highlight your top 3 recommended titles. Then after that, it should just tell you it understands. You don't want it to summarize all this for you. It should just tell you it understands. Let's copy it. Copy. Go back. Then paste. Enter. So
Down.
it should output I understand, because that's what we told it to. Nothing else, just I understand. What's the next step? Then after we pressed enter, ChatGPT is going to confirm it understood the instructions. Then step number 5, add your video idea. So example, this video is about showing beginners the easiest way to edit a video in CapCut, or simply just ask it generate clickable YouTube titles for a video about dash topic. So let's go with this, paste it. Then I'm a thumbnail designer, so I create videos on thumbnail design. So I'm going to go with create videos about thumbnail design. And here are 5 clickable YouTube title options for your videos on thumbnail design. The ugly truth about thumbnail design. Copy this tag. I can even imagine a video on how I'm going to present this video, the ugly truth about thumbnail design. Then copy this thumbnail style. It blows up your views. I made this exact video. Copy this thumbnail style. It blows up your content, not views. So, which shows you it's proven. Before you design another thumbnail, watch this. This is good. How I design thumbnails that 3x my clicks. Like, this is also good. How I design thumbnails that 3x my clicks. Why boring thumbnails get more clicks? No one admits this. Like this, I used this on LinkedIn. I wrote a LinkedIn post on this, and it was my most performing LinkedIn post. So this actually works. My top 3 recommended titles: The Ugly Truth About Your Thumbnails. Copy this thumbnail style. It's even recommending the one I made. That was my last video. You should check it out on YouTube. Copy this thumbnail style. It blows up your videos. Why boring thumbnails get more clicks? Curiosity-driven insight ties to your positioning as the boring thumbnail guy, and it's even giving me this thing, why it would work. So if you're struggling with YouTube titles, check this out, use it, and let me know in the comments the results it's giving you and how well it's worked for you. So check it out.